Amazing Aerial has a new platform and I want to show you how well this works. Right here I got all my files from my Asia trip, 2321, and I want to convert these into cache, so I want to upload them to Amazing Aerial. Now Amazing Aerial has a new platform recently. They now have added new features, so you can look at the portfolio of other contributors. Good for inspiration, to see what other people do at Amazing Aerial. But what is most exciting and is very useful for you as a contributor is the ability to upload and how this works. Let's go to my own portfolio, and what I want to do is upload for 30 minutes, see how much work I can do using the new feature from Amazing Aerial, the new uploading tool. So let's go to the upload section. So this is my setup, pretty simple. So on the right I have the Amazing Aerial uploading. On the left I have the files that I upload. And on the other screen I have the files that I've done. So usually I work with a folder. This is what I need to upload. This has what's been done. So once I upload, I drag it to what has been done. So I'm gonna set 30 minutes and see how much work I can get done, how many files. I'm gonna write down every file that I did. Let's go. How it works, it's kind of like batches. So you have to group them a bit at location. And it has artificial intelligence with image recognition to know what the topics you are sending in. So it works really quickly. So let's say I have this island, some images of that. Choose a couple of images. I just drag them in, like so. Now, first you need to select a category, so commercial aerial photos. And then I have to set in the landmark. So this works on Google Maps. So this is in Thailand, actually. The island that we're looking for is this one. So I think you can recognize it. It's called Koh Loi. So I can just copy this, paste this into landmark. It recognizes it from Google. And then you can say upload. And then it fills in the rest automatically. It starts uploading, as you can see here. So that are already 4 files. So let's see what the AI did. So usually it takes a little bit of time. In the meantime, I can say that I have uploaded 4 files. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see how much time it takes. Yes, already did. As you can see here, it recognizes that it's Koh Loi. Pretty impressive, I would say. And it does all the keywords for you. So Thai culture is a temple on there, religious site, it's a pier, it's right in the water, waterfront, and all the information here. So that is pretty good. So let's go to upload and do some more. I've set my goal for 2026 to make $100,000 selling stock footage and photos online. In 2025 I made close to $50,000. So to get to 100,000 I need to double my portfolio. A portfolio that took me 13 years to build up. But with the right tools, agencies, it should be possible. Shoot for the moon, even if you miss, you land among the stars. Why am I sharing this? Because I think this new tool is a great step in a super efficient workflow. If you create a file, you also need to edit, title and keyword your files and upload to many agencies. The new Amazing Aerial platform does this for you. And that is what I want to show you today. And you can use it as well and start making money with a super efficient workflow. Are you an experienced, talented aerial photographer or videographer looking to license your work online? Then Amazing Aerial could be the perfect fit for you. Amazing Aerial is a premium agency focused on high quality content and premium pricing. We help professional creators license their photos and videos through exclusive high-end media channels. Our newly developed platform is built for efficiency using AI-powered keywording to make uploading faster and easier than ever before. Amazing Aerial brings together a curated group of talented, like-minded professional creators from around the world. If you create outstanding aerial content that clients are searching for, I'd love to see your portfolio. I may be able to offer you a free lifetime membership valued at $997. Amazing Aerial stands for premium content for premium pricing. You can expect a return range of between $1 and $5 per image per year. Let's assume the average $2.50 per file. So uploading 74 files, we have created assets worth $185. And with the new platform, this has never been more easier. Keep uploading, grow your portfolio, grow your earnings.